What is the best way to pressure test new copper pipe solders? Imagine finishing a plumbing project and wanting to make sure everything is sealed tight before turning on the water. That's where pressure testing comes in. It's a key step in installation and upgrades, especially when extending piping systems. Let's walk through how to do it properly so your new copper pipe solder joints stay leak-free. First, after soldering, always let the joints cool naturally. Rushing the cooling can weaken the solder bond. Once cooled, give the joints a close look. You want them to be smooth, shiny, and even. Any dull or cracked spots could mean a weak joint that needs redoing. Next, do a simple leak test by slowly turning on the water supply. Watch the joints carefully for drips or seepage. If you see any leaks, turn off the water, reheat the joint, reapply flux, and add more solder. Then, test again to make sure it's sealed. For a more thorough check, you can do a pressure test using air or water. When using air, it's very important to control the pressure. Keep it within the normal residential water pressure range, which is usually between 40 and 80 pounds per square inch. Do not exceed this to avoid potential hazards. Seal the system tightly and pressurize it with air. Hold the pressure for at least 15 minutes, sometimes up to 24 hours, and watch for any pressure drops. If the pressure stays steady, your joints are good. If you find a pressure drop, it means there's a leak. Reheat the joint, reapply flux, and add more solder. Retest until the pressure holds steady. When using water, fill the system slowly and pressurize it carefully. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge and look for any water seepage. Water testing is safer for beginners but makes repairs trickier since you can't reheat the joints once water is in the system. In summary, start by letting the soldered joints cool naturally. Check visually for quality. Do a water flow test first. Then, perform a controlled pressure test with air or water, keeping the pressure within safe limits. Watch for pressure drops over time. Fix any leaks by reheating and resoldering if needed. Confirm the system holds pressure before putting it into full use. This approach helps ensure your copper pipe solder joints stay strong and leak-free, saving you time and money on future repairs.